just up ahead. Please still be there, you guys.
Aw, yeah. We're back in the mix, baby. Some more Ratchet and Clank. Yeah, we're cooking. Yeah, we're looking. Oh, man. This last episode we were just playing was a little crazy. It did get a little nutso. But it's alright. We're cooking. And I really do hope that everybody is doing well.
Getting close to the
I have
prison.
been having a blast playing this.
All starting to come back to me.
Oh, man.
We are open.
Oh, hey.
Let me know when you find something you like.
Oh my gosh, the executor can be like upgraded all the way. It looks like, oh my goodness. How is that like, that's level 5 already? What? That's crazy. Well, why not? We're crazy. Why not upgrade it all the way, huh?
That is a popular one.
Isn't this the black hole like machine gun that we just bought? Like we just got this? Or is this? Oh, the executor is the shotgun, I think, actually. Interesting.
Now that is some next level
Nice.
enforcement. Come on back for upgrades when you level that up.
Oh, that's this one. Oh, okay. Cool. Well, we're getting there. We're getting there for most of these.
Now look at that.
All right, all right, all right. Look at this. We're making some progress. Counts blades an additional time. Okay.
Go ahead, upgrade that.
I mean, I just kind of like, why not just upgrade everything right now, right? Like, all right.
Level this bad gal up for access to more upgrades.
Oh, this is heat. We're literally like, I did not know, like, we're just not upgrading stuff frequently enough. I mean, it makes sense. Look at this. Absolutely
now that
lethal.
Is gonna
Okay.
pack a punch.
Oh, man.
No need to buy that again.
I mean, we have all the raritanium, too. I just think that we collect it and just literally haven't used it all the way till now. While expecting, like, I think us to be doing just as good. Oh, this has literally not been upgraded once. Nice. Look at this. But now I'm slowly realizing that all the maps that we've left this on, these, you know, 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 here or there, yeah, now it's gonna start counting a little bit. It's all right though. All right,
You will
an
be
unbelievable
missed,
amount of
sweet
upgrading. All right, let's do this thing.
Processing center. It has to be where Ratchet and Clank are being held. And Kit.
Oh,
Every time I drop something
It's not you. Be back soon.
Phew, no alarms. Now to find a way over to that processing center.
oh, oh. Ah, okay, so then detractor enormous. Oh, this thing's running right toward me. Oh, move, Rivet. Ow. Oh, what did I just do? Okay. Oh, all right. Look at this.
So shiny.
Oh, shiny. Hooray. Sweet. What else is over here, I'm assuming? I believe we just moved something around right here. Let's get freaky with it. Ooh.
I'm off to processing. Oh, the rifts are really getting worse out here.
This gun so much. It's like literally the best gun.
Think, Rivet. There has to be another way inside.
Oh, well, yeah, over here. Duh. Nothing up there. Cool. Sure that we're not missing anything.
Bubbles, shouldn't you be in our Dolus?
All right.
Security gate. That's new. Don't have to improvise. That fan doesn't look all that sturdy. Almost there. Come on, guys. Please, still be down here.
I love processing centers. Oh, what? What the heck?
There's Clank, but I don't see Ratchet.
Okay. Oh, look at this! This wasn't even. I didn't even see this. Okay. Nice.
Bro, this bounty ain't worth it. We gotta break out of here. Dude, your biceps would never fit through that.
Bro, you're way too ripped, brother.
Where are you guys? Definitely not Clank.
Definitely not Clank.
Total torture. Yo, we decided to, like, stop killing you. Mind letting us out? Shh. No, she's thinking about it.
Who are these dudes? Are these the pirates? LeFair?
You'd best not be after me, booty.
Not a chance. Have you seen someone who looks like me? No?
Rivet, they're about to incinerate your robot friend.
Rivet?
Oh.
Right there.
And just send your friends that way. If you need backup.
Take care of them. And thanks.
We'll take it from here.
Oh, sweet.
You scared me. I'd let you rest, but we don't have a lot of time.
You got here quickly. Thank you. They took Ratchet and Kit through that door. Something about maximum security.
We'll catch up to them. And, I'm glad you're all right, Clank.
This is my prisoner.
Look! There they are!
And there we go.
Oh, sweet. Oh, look at this.
This should be a
Sheesh. Oh, yeah. I love that. Look at, we almost got all the gold bolts too. That's pretty neat. All right.
The transfer center is open. We'll get to Ratchet and Kit's cell through there. This is even more chaotic than Safari.
Sorry I left you behind back there, Bolts. Things got complicated.
I understand. There was a lot of chaos.
No, yeah, that. That's a lot of prisoners.
Oh my. They must be everyone who has ever crossed the Emperor.
Get out of the way!
Oh my god, these being upgraded are nuts. I don't know, again, why I waited so long to upgrade everything, because this is awesome.
Priority? That must mean Ratchet and Kit.
Can't let them get any deeper into the prison!
Nice. Awesome. Ooh. I love this.
Priority prisoners.
Where are my priority prisoners?
They deactivated the bridge.
They must have manual controls as backup.
Exciting! Escapees to teach a lesson!
Not right now!
I do not mean to rush you, but Ratchet and Kit are about to be moved.
Oh my gosh, that was cool. Oh my gosh.
Prepare for the Emperor's glorious embrace! I cannot
want this thing to level up. Look at it, it's so close to leveling up. I just realized. Come on, little dude, stay alive. Oh no. He just needed to stay alive for a little bit longer. Alright, well these looks like they're about to level up too. Oh yeah, look at them all. Oh, these things are just too powerful. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Hurry, tether onto their cell.
Right. We can tether onto their cell. Or we can loot first. Okay.
No! No!
Rivet? Clank! How did you...
I know my way around. Are you okay?
We're fine! Trying to escape! Somehow!
Don't worry. We'll get you out of here.
Okay. Whoa,
Kit
okay.
must be very worried about all of this.
Something like that. Look, folks, I'll be honest. Kit is the warbot who took off my arm.
Oh dear. Hi.
Yeah. Anyway, that's what's wrong.
Someone go investigate the processing center. Now!
There's the cell.
I will keep an eye on it.
Don't worry, Wolf. We'll save them.
Right. You fight. I will search for a way forward.
Authorized individual in Gen
Ah!
No choice but to reduce to ash heap.
No choice but to reduce the ash heap. Where are the other baddies at? No choice but to reduce to ash heap. Okay, come on now. I didn't.
Security Patrol 119. Investigate. Bring it through.
Oh wow.
We cannot allow them to get taken any deeper into the prison.
We won't.
Take this on.
Oh, come on, dude. Come on, little dude.
Wasn't sure you'd actually make it.
Don't thank us yet. We need to power down these cells. Which means a visit to the warden's office.
Did you hear about the disturbance in processing? I was informed it may have been a while back.
How exciting! Another to add is that? It is!
It's okay. It's okay.
Get us out of here!
If the Emperor thinks I should be here, I deserve to be here.
Wow, 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 wow. Oh, look at this. I will take pride in saying that I have not checked my map once. I have been trying to go out of my way to try to make sure that I'm not, you know, spamming the map, you know? Look at these dudes.
Not meant to be here.
That door to the back there should lead to a loading platform.
Yeah, but I like to talk to everybody. That dude's just getting yoked. Gains. That's all we need. Ah.
What do you even call a group of speedles? A room? A whoosh? A whiz? Whiz.
What was... What? Oh. Oh. Oh, that thing just died! That sucks.
So cool.
Sweet! Money! I mean, I kind of feel like this one's meant to be a pretty straightforward, like, mission overall. I feel like. Straightforward meaning, like, straightforward, like, it's for us to find all of this, you know? You guys feel it? You guys feel it I'm cooking?
And go from there.
Be careful. That is a long way down.
Oh, it'd be cool if you could wake him up. Are we missing anything right here? Oh God! Oh, the only thing we're missing is the ledge. Tragic. Okay. I think we've got
there.
most of
That's the
everything.
warden's office. Just have to use these platforms to get closer and go from there.
Be careful. That is a long way down.
Through that open access hatch. Almost there.
Oh wow. Here we go.
Oh, please do not hurt me. I am only following the Emperor's orders.
Just stay out of my way.
Just stay out of my way. Oh man, I don't trust the cute little bots. Okay, alright, okay, alright, okay, alright. Let us take a look.
Emergency shutdown initiated. Rerouting power to the VIP section.
Ratchet's in a VIP cell, isn't he?
Yes.
Oh, here we go, baby.
Attention! Riot in progress. Reinforcement capacity at 56% and dwindling.
Ow.
We have seen enough.
Reinforcement capacity at 41%. East wing has fallen into prisoner control.
Not the...
Oh my.
Reinforcement unavailable. Initiating emergency warp-in protocol.
Oh my gosh. They are everywhere. They're everywhere. They're everywhere. They're everywhere. Oh, wow.
Radiant ordinance down.
Local reinforcements unavailable. Engaging emergency.
Oh my god, here we go. Here we go.
Maximum security power at dangerous levels. Systems malfunctioning.
I am still intact. It is pointing back.
Oh, I'm going crazy. We're going X Games. Come on. Alright, get cooked. Get cooked, buddy.
Security forces depleted.
We need to return to Ratchet and Kit before it is too late.
Oh, yeah.
Have to get out
Come
of
on
here
now.
first.
The office is sealed. How do we
Oh
get
my
out?
god.
Maybe that window leads
Wow, wow. What a snipe. That's crazy. The AI could not have asked to be better. We have to do that all again. Oh, that's crazy.
This is highly powerful.
Oh, this is crazy.
Attention. Riot in progress. Reinforcement capacities at 56% and dwindling.
Not the VIP section.
Local reinforcements unavailable. Engaging emergency warp in protocol.
Oh my god, the void repulsor we just upgraded like 18 times. Nice. Oh, we're about to level up too. Oh! Let's try not to die again, huh? That'd be cool. Nice.
Security forces depleted.
We need to return to Ratchet and Kit before it is too late.
Yeah, just have to get out of here first.
The office is sealed. How do we get out?
Maybe that window leads somewhere.
Maybe the window leads somewhere.
It would appear we have new allies.
They're moving his cell again? Into maximum security.
I will start developing a plan
Oh wow, look at
Get to
this.
their cell faster before they're locked away in the depths of prison indefinitely?
or a plan C, perhaps.
Oh, look at this. Everybody's getting out of here. Oh, what's up, dude? Okay, real quick, just because there's a lot of stuff in here, I just want to double check. Okay. There's nothing else in this little room. That's all I wanted to double check. That's all I'm going to pull it up for.
Not a chance this time to dance!
Keep that cell in sight.
We need to find a way back up.
Why is no one listening to me?
Nice. Oh. How do we find a way back up? Oh, hello.
maximum security platform.
We fight and win, no lie!
Oh, this is like literally just, yeah, use every one of your weapons to clear this whole section. And I love every bit of it.
Override it, maybe we can slow them down.
Return to your cell, or you will be banned from weight room access for 10 cycles.
You will be banned from weight room for 10 cycles.
We've got you covered!
Okay, nice. Now, just because, again, we're kind of, well, saying that there's, like, raritanium in here, or raritarium. Like, directly behind me? Oh! Okay. What in the world? Okay. I'm assuming there was some over there. We'll be alright. We've got you covered.
We're gonna get you out of here. There has to be a way to stop your cellar.
I will not allow you to escape the Emperor's glorious my glorious punishment.
All right, how are we gonna escape? I've tried everything. Kit, any ideas?
Come on, kid, say something.
I have no ideas.
Really? Because you...
Rivet.
Warning, riot in progress. Eagle gas protocol activated.
Oh no! The room is filling with gas!
Hold your breath.
Ratchet, quickly, get us out of here. Hit those buttons to open the door.
Eagle gas protocol in effect. Increasing gas level. Oh no!
They're sealing off the area. Hey! It's all falling apart.
Whoa.
Just like the dimensions.
She seems to deeply regret it. Now keep moving.
Maybe.
Oh,
We're not gonna make
Tether
it.
onto that rift.
tether onto what? Oh, wow, I don't know how. Oh my god, we have like no time left. 9 seconds left. Oh my god! We
They're
made it
settled.
with
It
1
went
second.
outside. There, quickly. We must slingshot onto that evacuation platform.
Oh my god, that's crazy!
Come on, now?
Ratchet and Kit must be quite valuable.
think that we didn't destroy that? How much damage can that thing take? That's a little crazy. These things are like actually crazy, like with how much health they can take. Get smoked. Oh, wait, what? Okay. Question mark? Oh, hello there.
Priority transport is in danger of failure. More help is necessary.
How many troopers do these guys have?
Too many.
I'm trying so hard for this to be just like what I feel like.
Quite.
Not like a try-hardy moment. Oh. Unmitigated. He doesn't even know what to do. It's a goner. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Good night. Good night, girl. I see you tomorrow. Come on. Everybody, I'm not speaking at all right now because I am just going X Games. There we go. Yeah,
Quickly,
what's up?
Use that crank to pull the cell back toward us.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You cannot fire me. I quit. Oh, my.
Someone call for backup?
Thanks for the save. Kit, are you...
Give us a minute.
We'll meet you at the ship.
Clank told me I should try to forgive you. I am going back to Zavali. I never should have...
Wait! You're just gonna hide again? Now?
I am very... Truly, I am sorry, Rivet. For everything.
I am not a good partner.
Well, maybe you could be. If you'd stopped to help me that night instead of running away, things could have been different. Or if you just told the truth, maybe...
Why do none of you understand? I am broken. I will always be broken.
Fine. Go hide. We have a universe to save. Universes, whatever. I don't need a partner anyway.
Wait, where's Kit?
She's not coming.
But...
Aw, what? I'm sad now. We gotta. What happened to Kit?
Kit should be here.
She didn't want to be.
Only because she thinks she's dangerous.
And maybe she is.
So you're just gonna give up on her? Because you're afraid?
Says the big hero who's too scared to look for the other Lombaxes? At least my fear makes sense. Sorry.
Sorry.
Oh, goodness. That was very...
You're all okay? Oh, thank goodness. We were so worried.
They can't stop us that easily.
What took you all so long? Hey! I think I know how we can find the Emperor! When you're ready to take the fight to him, come talk to me!
Ah. Okay, wow, what an episode. That's crazy. So, let's go back out to the ship real quick, because I just want to double check. I need to go look and make sure that,
Good thing we're ending this now. I don't think the dimensions can take much more.
yeah, but now I feel sad about Kit. I don't like that she's not here. We gotta get her back. Oh, wow. We got everything in one fell swoop. We'd love to see that. Huge. Cordelion Station, Cadero Station. I can't remember what that one is. We'll have to go take a look, because that one we still need to get a screw and a spy bot. And then Torin 4, I bet you we have to go back there at some point too. Because we were there and we could not find that. So I think we're going to have to wait to go back there. And then the debris field looks like we got to get some more here too. I love it. This is absolute heat. And I honestly thought that we were a little bit closer to the end than we were, but it looks like we have a little bit more left. And because we are completionists, you know, we're going to stop and make sure that we're getting all the extra stuff. But for now, I think we're going to be wrapping this up. I think that was really great to break into the prison, get them out of there, and I don't know. I think we all know that there's going to have to be some reconciliation between, you know, Rivet here and Kit. But in either way, I'm excited, and we're getting one step closer to smacking the Emperor in the mouth and being absolutely back in control, and maybe finding the Lombaxes. So I absolutely appreciate everybody for watching. I hope everybody has a beautiful rest of their days, nights, wherever they are. Drink some freaking water, and I'll see you guys in the next one on some more Ratchet and Clank. Love you guys. See you later.